Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddles in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. But the bear snores on.
Snores on.
An itty bitty mouse, Peter Pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. Sweet lights with twinks with a small hot sparks.
Chú này con đọc sao? Chú này con đọc sao?
Twinks.
Chú kiểm tra lại cái đúng không nhỉ?
The quail peep.
Nó to lên tí nó béo quá gì?
The quail.
Cái gì chữ S?
Quails peep pop and the wind doesn't stop.
Doesn't.
But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says hare, "long time no see. So they pop white corn, and they brew black tea." Mouse sips wee slops, hare burp big burps.
Chú này có S nè.
Burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scoots by.
No.
Scooters by. Sniffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps.
No.
Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy dog, and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chow chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then
The floor. Flower.
the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mouse mutters, "What a night!
Dấu phẩy dấu chấm.
What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they titter. Chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stay. Then stealth. Then a small pepper flake makes the beer.
Makes
The beer. Rachoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear
No. Phải wake up. Wake gì?
wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear
Rumbles.
Bear jumps and he stumps. Bear growls.
No.
Growls and he grumbles.
No.
Rumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he wants, he will and he grinds. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeak.
No, no.
Don't
S.
squeaks. Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Beer gulps, beer grubs.
No, no, no.
Grubbers. He sacked with
S.
six
His size.
sacks with the like. Then he spins tolls through the blustery night. When the sun picks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep.
Can't sleep.
Can't sleep. But his friends snore on.